If you're wanting to start a garden this year, timing is very important to your success. So don't wait until it's too late or you will not get the yield that you want from your garden. So look up in the What Can You Grow in Your Garden Today chart and find out what you can plant in your yard today. So if you go to our website, thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show, and you scroll down, you will find the What Can I Plant Today charts. So they will help you tremendously get your timing right. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute a day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.